Tired of fumbling around trying to catch all the college football action? Today, we're breaking down exactly how to watch college football right here on YouTube, so you don't miss a single snap. First, the quick wins. Search for college football highlights. Tons of channels, like ESPN highlights and individual team channels, upload game highlights moments after they happen. This is perfect if you just want the biggest plays. Next, explore full game replays and in-depth analysis. Many smaller channels upload full game replays, though availability can be spotty due to copyright. Also look for channels dedicated to breaking down plays, offering commentary, and dissecting team strategies. Now, for the real MVP, YouTube TV. For live, uninterrupted games, a YouTube TV subscription is your best bet. It includes channels like ESPN, Fox, CBS, and NBC, all major carriers of college football games. Don't forget to check their sports package add-in for even more coverage. With YouTube TV, you can watch live games on your TV, phone, or tablet. Set recordings so you never miss a game, and even enable notifications to get alerts when your favorite teams are playing. So, whether you're catching highlights, diving into analysis, or streaming live games, YouTube's got you covered. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to enhance your college football viewing experience. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Go team!